Back in the side panel, you can get to the Mirinae reference library through this button at the bottom. It opens on a page that shows you all the grammar and idiom and neologism patterns in the library, and presents various controls for filtering the display or searching the library. The search will match Korean characters in the patterns or definitions, or English words in the definitions and use categories. This latter is useful if you are working on writing a sentence and want to express some intent or sense. Start keying in the words in the use category to get a listing of the patterns that might be appropriate. You can click on any pattern in the list to see its definition panel, and then get at example uses and other information about the pattern. This is also a useful way to study a pattern that you are learning. Find it in the library, open the Examples tab, and dive into some of the sentences listed.